Ang makakalaban natin ngayon ay si Ninong Bads na naman. Ang laban na ito ay pang game 2 na namin. Sa laban na ito ay Cho vs Badang, kaya't samahan ninyo kami sa digmaan na ito. Iba talaga ka magbadang si Ninong Bads, ang lakas at ang galing pa mag-freestyle.
All this shit in my head, yeah, you don't wanna know. On your knees, beg your point your life. I'm a phony foe to your dome. Now you go, knife, cut you straight, cut the fucking bone. Hand full of pills, don't know what the fuck they for. Tell them bitches, but you know the devil can't. Fucking up with those darkness taking over all the sons of fucking terror. All the faces of the badges twisted into woman. The fire burning up and up that.
At dito guys, ginamitan ko si Idol ng aking pinagbabawal na technique, walang iba kundi Bygone Katol. At syempre hindi magpapahuli ang nag-iisang malakas at pogi magbadang na si Idol Ninong Bads. Grabe nga yun at hindi ako nakagalaw sa badang niya.